NFC. Near Field Communication Technology, or NFC, lets you make transactions, exchange digital content, and connect with other NFC devices with a single tap. To set up NFC, drag down the notification panel from the top. Then find and tap the settings icon. Select Share and Connect on the Wireless Networks menu. Turn on NFC. Read the note about protecting your data and tap OK. Now you can use all the NFC-related features. Sharing files with another NFC device is easy. Select the file to share. For example, an image from the gallery or a song from the music app. Hold the two devices together back to back. The file you selected will shrink. Tap the file to transfer it. The file will be downloaded to the other device after you separate them.